Exact Diagnostics is a molecular standards and controls business based here in our beloved Fort Worth, Texas. We're lucky enough to also be part of the Tech Fort Worth incubation, as well as the UNT Health Science Center Acceleration Laboratory.
What we do here is we ensure that clinical diagnostic results are consistent. If a patient goes to a hospital in Fort Worth and a patient goes to a hospital in Dallas, if they're tested for some kind of disease and the calibration of these tests are slightly off and slightly different, this patient going to Dallas may be treated, but when they're tested in Fort Worth, they may not be treated. Why is that? Our role is to ensure that those tests done in Fort Worth and those tests done in Dallas are very consistent with each other, so that the patient, whether they go to Fort Worth or they go to Dallas, they are being treated exactly the same.
One of the analogies that we use here at Exact Diagnostics is a scale. Imagine that you step on the scale and it says that you weigh 100 pounds. How do you know that that scale is reporting out correctly? Well, one way to test that would be to put a 100-pound dumbbell on that. So Exact Diagnostics is that 100-pound dumbbell.
What made us extremely successful is our team. Our team is extremely diverse in terms of background, education. We have some interns from UTA, SMU, because we wanted that diverse mindset. I actually think that's what has made us extremely innovative and extremely nimble.
Whenever a customer comes to us, they tell us that there's an issue there. We try and adapt our processes and adapt our products to answer that. So one of the things that we've been able to do is whenever people are using that 100-pound dumbbell in different states as well as different countries, we've been able to throw a stake in the ground, but also have a consistent product over time.
They are providing us with the design inputs for what we need to do. We talk constantly with the key opinion leaders. We talk constantly with our customers. Our customers call us and they tell us, hey, we need different fill volumes, we need different levels. And they tell us, these are what you're going to have to build, and we build them.